In 19th century Britain, Francis Galton pioneered eugenics, claiming racial hierarchies were biologically determined. His work, influenced by Darwin's evolutionary theory, falsely justified white superiority through pseudoscientific methods like anthropometry. The British Empire's expansion provided subjects for racial classification, turning colonies into laboratories for these dangerous ideas. This marked the beginning of institutionalized racism, disguised as science. British scientists systematically measured skulls and facial features across India and Africa, claiming to find proof of racial inferiority. These biased studies justified oppressive policies, from forced sterilizations in Australia to apartheid foundations in South Africa. The colonial administration institutionalized these practices, using eugenics as a tool for social control. Pseudoscientific racism became embedded in imperial governance systems. The first International Eugenics Congress in London cemented Britain's leadership in racist science. Attended by 400 scholars from elite institutions, it promoted forced sterilization and racial purity laws. British universities like UCL and Oxford became hubs for eugenic research, influencing global policies. This academic endorsement gave racist ideologies a veneer of respectability that persisted even after Nazi Germany's downfall. Post-World War II, eugenics rebranded as population control and IQ debates. The 1994 bell curve revived genetic determinism, while UK immigration policies echoed old eugenic fears. Modern DNA ancestry tests are misused to promote racial purity myths. These concepts persist in criminal profiling, employment discrimination, and education systems, proving scientific racism never disappeared, just evolved. AI systems now replicate colonial-era biases, from racist facial recognition to predictive policing algorithms trained on skewed data. Tech companies' datasets often reflect historical prejudices encoded during Britain's imperial era. This demands urgent action: auditing algorithms, decolonizing STEM education, and returning stolen indigenous remains in museum collections. The fight against scientific racism requires dismantling systems built on Galton's dangerous legacy.